Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sounds within the Call of Duty Warzone game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Call of Duty Warzone game on your device. And once you have been taken into the homepage, if you wish to turn off the sounds, then click on the gear icon at the top right corner. From here, click on audio. And now you will be able to set up the game volume. You can swipe the slider to the left and set the value to 0 if you wish to completely turn off sound. You may also do the same for the voice chat volume by using the slider. You may also set this off by clicking on the toggle alongside voice chat underneath to not worry about the volume level within voice chat volume. After you have turned both of these off, you will now not hear any sounds within the game. There are a few details which you can also turn off by scrolling all the way to the very end. Just click on these toggles to turn every single sound off within the game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off sounds within the Call of Duty Warzone game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.